Here I have REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, you can select video coding format, and so on. And that's it, all the settings. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap continue. While using the app, allow, this menu appears. From here you can access some settings too. So to start recording, just tap on this red button once, and after that recording immediately starts. As you can see here, I have my front camera. So yeah, you can also pause recording by tapping here, and you can stop recording by tapping on the red button once again. You can find your recording in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. Just tap on this red button once, and after that recording immediately starts. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.